Hey, Monique Daniels here. I just wanted to come up here real quick and let you know about one of our flagship products that my daughter and I make. Um, I developed it because I work at a place where there's a lot of chemicals. I deal with a lot of bacteria and just a lot of stuff that's really not good for the skin. And for me, it caused a lot of breakouts. Like, I had huge bumps all over my face. And I used to just get angry every time I came into work and started to, cut this material that releases small particles in the air and gets into my skin and just causes breakouts constantly. Just constantly. And it didn't matter what I did. I tried everything. I tried all type of products in the stores. Oh my goodness. I tried different masks. I tried different acne products. I tried everything to get rid of bumps, and nothing worked for me. So I said, you know what? I'm just gonna put some of my knowledge to use and buy some natural materials, put some combinations together that I think are the best combinations to get rid of the issue that I had because I couldn't take it. I've never been a person that had bumps all over my face. So it just was, freaking me out. And I wish I had, some more like before and after pictures that I can show you. I did take some, so I will get those together and post them. But I just really just didn't want to take no pictures, to be honest. Not with all that crap on my face. And it's something that I wasn't accustomed to. I'm 50 years old. I never had an issue with bumps on my face, ever. So, what I did was I decided to make some toner pads. And they contain different ingredients that are perfect for clearing the skin. Just perfect and just so nourishing for the skin. It has helped me so much, so much. So we have different types for different skin types, for anti-aging people that's up there in age or that's starting to climb the ladder of age. We have stuff for people like that. We have stuff for people that's in their youth, people that have sensitive skin, people that need something stronger. We have all types of toner pads that we have created. But this is my little personal, so this is not for sale at all. The one for sale is actually larger and it's a month supply. But this is the one I actually carry this in my my lunch bag. So whenever I start, cutting different materials, and when my face start itching, I'll go right to my bag. I'll take out one of these. This is what it looks like. You can see that. I don't want it to fall out. But I'll take one of these. I make sure my hands are clean too. This place is not, that sanitary when it comes to. I just don't even want to go there. But anyway, I take one of these and I just, anywhere it's itching. I go where it itches at. Wherever it's itching, if it's itching there, I just kind of, rub it on there. And then I just go through my whole face with this right here. My nose, I used to get these bad breakouts right under my nose. And I just go all through my face, my entire face. I had a huge bump right here. It's still there, but it's going away. It was huge. Oh my goodness. But it wasn't just that one. It was a whole bunch of them here. And it was a whole bunch over here and all over here. I mean, oh my goodness. And then the acne scars on top of it just made it even worse. But this has helped to clear up my face so much. You just don't know how much it has helped me. And it deep cleans into your pores. It helps to close the pores, and it deep cleans into the pores. So even if you're using like some type of facial soap, I know you're not supposed to use like actual bar soap on your face, but some type of facial cleanser, if you're using that on your face and you're not using a toner afterwards, you are truly missing out, because this really digs deep into the pores. I don't even know if you can see what's on there already. A little bit is on here. Can't really. Just a little bit. But you need to take this after you wash your face like you normally do. Take one of these and then clean your face with it. Oh my God. And then just go like this. You'll be amazed. I've cleaned so much out of my pores that now it doesn't turn as dark as it used to. I used to have so much crap in my pores that the regular cleansers wasn't getting to. That is just ridiculous. And this used to be either brown or like sometimes black, because a lot of the material I cut, is like black, and it's little tiny, tiny, tiny specks, that particles that go into the ear and get into my skin and stuff. But oh, this right here, I use this every day. I created this for me. I didn't even create this to sell it, really. I created this because